Hello guys, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to talk about how to speed up a video with ClipChamp. Drag and drop your video clip to the appropriate location. As you can see on the screen, this video is now running at normal speed. Adjust it to go a little faster, so let's see how to do this. By selecting video quotes and going to the speed icon on the right side, we can reduce or increase the speed of the video. You can adjust the speed of your video as you see it on the screen. If you think this video is good, please like, share, and subscribe.